Hi. Okay. Hi, I'm Miss Tan from Acad system. Today we going to wait a minute. Let me share the screen. Share. Okay. All right. Today I'm going to teach about the essential tools and tips for the drawing in AutoCAD. So this today I just teaching how to use some tools drawing out the image. Okay, but before that we need to know what tools are we going to use today. Wait, alright. So the tools I going to use before that I explain a bit. So for intro mastering the essential AutoCAD tools can significantly improve the drawing efficiency and accuracy. Learning these techniques not only to speed up the workflow, but also help to produce the professional quality drawings. But what tools that we're going to use today is have the circle, offset, array, copy and trim, and have other tools again. So the drawing just draw a circle. Offset is create the parallel copies at a specific distance. Array repeatedly the object in linear or circular patterns. Copy is just copy the object. Trim is remove the unwanted part like that. Alright. So this is the drawing I draw. This is the drawing I draw. So today I'm going to use this drawing to draw out. Okay, let's start now. Okay, this is I already opened the AutoCAD here. But before that, we need to make sure what units I use. The units I use is in mm, right? Okay, so let us start to draw it. We start from here to draw out the circle. Right? So the distance I've used is in diameter. So before that, you can see there are many layers. I have different color I use it. So before we start the drawing, we create the layer first. Wait, alright. I already create but I create a new to show it out. So I name it as OBJ. So I change the color into red color. Alright, and so the distance I use other is I create a new one for the dimension. So I name it as DIM. I put it as orange. Right. So before we start the drawing, we change here. We change here to the okay to start the drawing. Alright. So we change. Just like I say, it is using in diameter, right? So we just click here and change to the circle in center diameter. Okay, we start from drawing the small circle right here. Okay. So the smaller circle is 1/4, enter. Alright. And enter again and click again. Draw the bigger one is 20. Wait, I think I have used the radius, so we click here again to change it to a diameter. Right, that's correct. If you enter to repeat it, it will determine as the center radius, so you must click the circle diameter. Alright, so bigger it and insert for 0. Sorry. Alright. After that is the up one is this circle. Small circle is a 3, 5. So I just draw a line. The line, just a support line. After that, we can remove it. Line is 3, 5, and 6, and the again is 1, 2. Alright, so here is it have an arc at here, so it is in radius 7. So if normal you can use the arcs at here, but for me I will use 10 radius at here. Click here and insert 7. Enter and click it again. 7. Alright, so we've removed some part. So we can remove this line, delete, and we use the trim. So you can saw the shape here already. After that, we draw the circle here. So we also use the line to determine its coordinates. 5, 5, and go to up. Like if you see the line is move very freely, so you can open this one. So it will like always 90 degree like that. So it's 3, 5, enter. And say so use the it is in based on the info I give, and here is the smaller is in diameter 20. The biggest one is 3, 4. Okay, the largest one is the outer is in radius, so we exchange it to the radius, or you can just click enter. So it's 20. Alright. So after that is you can saw it is linking to here. So here is in radius 1, 2. This 1, 2 is center is at here also. So we just click and draw again. 1, 2. Yes, in radius 1, 2. So here you can saw it have arcs. But before we join these arcs, we draw the here first. Like draw whole body and can link to here, have arcs here. Alright, so we also use the line to determine its coordinate. So it's showing from here to here is 7, 6. And the smaller circle is in diameter 6. And the largest one is 1, 4. Right? We just make it bigger and determine its point. How much? 1, 4. Alright. So after we draw the largest circle is in diameter. Alright, so just also draw it is 80 and the 90 and the. Alright, so we finished some part already. So now we need to draw out this, so we can use the 10 radius. So just click here and here. How much is radius is 1, 7. So you can use this to remove it. And also, let me see, need to remove you can remove the support line here, 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 delete. After here also have the arc, so you can also use the tangent radius. Is how much? 1.5. Enter. So you just use trim to trim it. So after that, I'm going to use the mirror to here, but before that we need to do this circle first. Alright, so we also use the line to determine its coordinates. Let me see. Alright, it's showing from here to up, from here to up. Here is 4, 7. And here go to right is 1, 5. 6. So it is in, sorry, oh here. Here is in diameter. It is 40, enter. Also, so can just remove the line again. So we need to draw the circle at here is 1, 2. So also draw a support line. 1, 2, and let's see. So it is the circle is in diameter 10. Alright, and here the arc is radius 3. I also use the tangent radius because it's more easy for me. How much? It's 3. So we can remove the support line and remove the part that we doesn't want. Alright. So if you see at here have the tree, right? Like 3 circle connected. So we can use the array. Wait. So we can just cover it with. Alright. So we can use array. This is the array, and we use a polar array. So I already insert the object, so it's want me to insert a center point. So the center point at here, click. I have 6, but I just want 3. So insert 3, and it will become 3 already. Okay, so as this. So now we can like mirror it. So we can just cover it. We already insert the object, so it's want me to insert the first point. So where is our center is here, right? So we just use this circle and move now. So it's asked us do us need to erase anything. Like if I yes it will delete the right side. So I doesn't want, so I just no. So we repeat again. Use the mirror. No. So now we can remove the part that we doesn't want. So just remove here. Alright. Because there is a mirror, so there is become the ones of the part already. So we can't remove. So how we do? We just cover again. Use X to this one. Enter. Let's cover it. 6. I think can. Let's try. Oh, sorry. Maybe we can draw it again. We use is a radius 1, 2. So we can just use a radius. And 1, 2, enter. Let's try. Oh, I think because here doesn't connect, so I can't use the trim. So we just remove it and we try to use the tangent radius to connect the outside here. How much? 1, 2. Yeah, I think we can use the trim again. Yes, can. Some drawing can try many ways to achieve it, so you no need to like just using the one way. You can use many ways, just based on your creativity. Alright, so now we are drawing the middle one. So we also repeat the same things. So just draw out these 2 flat enter. And it is using the diameter. So just use diameter. Almost the biggest is 20 and the smaller is 8. The side is in radius 8. So also use the same radius. Right, so we can use the trim to remove again. 6 and delete it. Alright, so we can, for this we also can use the array. Also send the border array. I already insert the object, so if you want me to insert the center line, so I just click. But if you see like I make it big smaller, you can see like some part it look like thickness, some part it look like thin. Because they have a multiple line at the same place. So if you want it to like make like single more nice to see, so you can just cover it and try to use over here. Yes, just click and okay. It will become a single. If you like want to make, you can use the creativity to make a different drawing. It's just one of my drawing you can change it. Like for example, I want to make another drawing at down, so I can use alright. Just click the middle. It will become like this. You can change the size here, like 5, 3. Yeah. You can like change the size so it can become like this. So if you want to make it more thickness like this, or you want to make some part more thickness, you can go to layers properties. And here, or you can change it here. And also I want to make a new layer. So it's still the same. I just make it TIC. I'm sorry. It's okay, you can rename it. TICD. And I just rename it. So you can put here. Okay. So you can just cover it here. Change the thickness. Yeah, it will do thickness. So here I don't want. So I change it to the object. Yeah. But if you like change it, wait, let me change it this, okay? Make it more parallel. Change thing. Like if you like have made it more thickness, but you can't show it because you doesn't open this. So if you want to show it, you just open again. You don't want, just close it. Okay, now I want to add the dimension. So I use this. I have created just now. So just like this. Now, so you just simply add the dimension. But if you like too bigger, you can't determine what is this. So you must make it closer where it detects. This is the diameter. Like if you doesn't want it detect as the diameter, you can change it here. Change the radius. Yes, it will become the radius. Like this diameter, like divide by 2 is 40. So after that, if you like doesn't want to show the dimension, so you can just close it at here. So just turn it off. You can't show it already. So you want to see it back, you just open it again. Um, well, oh yes, and some part like just now you can show I have like draw the circle individual, but it will also have other ways to draw it. So like for example, I just delete it. I want to draw another circle, so I can use the offset. And here is different is 90 minus 80 is 10. So I just insert 10, enter. So I just click it, move it. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is a diameter. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So is 5. Let's try. You can try this way to draw it out. Yeah. This is the use of the offset. Oh, I think. Oh yeah, you also can use the rotate anything. Like move. Move you can use like this. Just now the coordinate, like I have used a mirror to mirror it. But if you want, you can like copy to here and move to here. Also can like copy. I want to copy this. So I cover this. So enter. So I choose the center so I can copy it. Alright. If I want to move it, so I just cover it and type move, or I can just click here. There is also the same way. So is I already insert the object, so I just insert the point, also center, so I can move it. Now you can see it move very straight because I didn't close it. So if you doesn't want, just close, so you can move it freely. So just put here. Alright. So that's all from me today. So anyone have any questions? Okay, I think that's all. Before we end up, I want to going to introduce our company. I'm Mr. from CAD System, so you can go to our website to see our company. info. Yeah, this is our company website. You can see some info at here. So here have the some promotion and news. You can see what software you want. And also here this is me for today. And there have other classes, so you can join in also. We also have physical class. So if you have interest, you can contact with us. We have two. One is KL, one is BNet. So you can contact us using this contact number. After that is we have our YouTube website. So this is me. So if you want to see others, you can go to see. And I learn more how to use the software. Alright, that's all from me for today. Thank you everyone.